Hello everybody, hopefully you're doing well. We'll start up our new life science lesson. It is chapter 4, lesson 4, changes in ecosystem. Now you know natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, hurricanes or volcanic eruptions, they can change ecosystems and affect the organisms that live there. Now these changes may suddenly damage an organism's habitat or destroy a food resource. Now some changes on the other hand they can occur more gradually, more slowly. For example, we have deer mice. They live in North American forests and grasslands and they reproduce rapidly, but owls and weasels, they hunt them. Now this keeps the deer mouse population from growing too large. So what might happen if the deer mice migrated to a new ecosystem with no predators? Stop the video and think. Yes, now how might deer mice change that ecosystem? What now? Without predators, as you know, the population of deer mice would increase quickly because more individuals would survive and produce offspring. So a condition that controls the size or growth of a population is actually called a limiting factor. It's a condition that controls the size or growth of population. Now predators often limit the size of animal populations. Diseases as well as competitions for food and nutrients also limit population growth. Now the changes that type of limiting factors, they can be abiotic, non-living factors are abiotic factors. It can be sunlight, it can be wind, it can be water, chemical, nutrients and temperatures. Now variation in any of these factors that can actually affect the population in a community. Now other limiting factors are biotic or living thing. For example, the arrival of non-native or invasive species, which is in an ecosystem, can affect other organisms that live there. For example, the gypsy moth, especially originally native to Europe and Asia, was introduced to North America in the 1860s. So what did the gypsy moth caterpillars? They feed on the plant leaves and are especially damaging to oak and aspen trees. Non-native plant and animal species can quickly affect ecosystems as they compete for resources. On the other hand, humans can also have a significant impact on ecosystems. People cut trees for lumber, they clear land to grow crops and to build homes and roads. They're also causing pollution by burning fossil fuels and by using chemicals as fertilizers and pesticides. Pollution and the cleaning of land can damage or destroy habitats. Now these practices can also upset the balance between predators and prey, causing changes in population levels. So loss of trees also affects the ecosystem. During photosynthesis, as we know, trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Now fortunately, some people are aware of the impact on these human activities can have on the environment. They weigh the benefits of human activities against possible environmental risks. Many laws that protect the environmental from damage have been enacted as a result. Thank you for listening. This was the lesson for today, the first part, and we'll continue the second part in the next lesson.